The recipe doctors will not tell you. Your liver will be like new and you will look 10 years younger. The liver is called the laboratory authorities because performs various important functions such as fat burning, discharge toxins and many others. Poor nutrition, bad habits will affect the work of all the organs of your body, including the liver. Therefore, its function can be impaired and therefore the need to recover. Eat a healthy diet, remove harmful ingredients. What are you going to help? This is a natural beverage that many benefits for your health. Clean blood. Recovered liver. Strengthens immunity. Detoxify the body. Prevents inflammation and infection. Works anti-cancer. Works as an antioxidant. Improves metabolism. Reduces blood sugar and cholesterol in the blood. Good effect on the skin. Ingredients: 2 lemon, 1 cucumber, a handful of parsley, 200 ml of water. Preparation and method of use: blend the ingredients listed above in a blender until you get a homogeneous mixture. Take this remedy a few times daily for a month. After this time, the liver will be free of fat and toxins, you will lose excess weight and look much younger, your body will be full of energy, and you will feel much better.